Hey y'all, so I thought I'd share a quick grocery haul this week. Now I was just going to start out with the menu. We ended up doing leftovers several times last week, so I ended up not making the breakfast casserole, so I just put it on the menu for this week. And then I got some baked chicken and rice with a vegetable, and I'll show you what I picked up for the baked chicken portion. We'll have spaghetti. I've got some leftover pork chops. We'll have mac and cheese and a veggie with that, and then we're going to do some burgers. So let me show you what I picked up at Lidl. So they had their pretzels, buy two, get one free, and my girls really like those. So I picked that up for them. And then they also had this pizza cheese bread twist that I've never seen there before. So I picked that up just for them to try it out, and it looked pretty good. And that was $1.99. So then I picked up 2 loaves of bread. They were on sale for $1.69, and I'm just going to throw one of those in the freezer. They had their white cheddar version of Cheez-Its for $2.50 for the family size, so I picked that up. We typically don't buy the white cheddar, but for the price, I went ahead and got them. Got some Minute Maid orange juice and some heavy cream. And the butter was on sale for $1.69, so I picked up 2, but I really wish I had picked up 4 because that is a really good price. I may have to go back and pick up a couple more. I picked up some of their red Leicester cheese. I thought I'd try this to see how it compares to the red cheese at Aldi. Got some kielbasa. And I picked up a hazelnut bar. I like to pick them up a little chocolate treat every time, so that's what I picked up this time. They had my favorite sausage on sale for $9.99 a box, so I went ahead and picked one of them up, even though I still have another box in the freezer. I only picked up 4 yogurts because I thought we had plenty, but I think I need to get more. Picked up 2 New York sharp cheddar cheeses, some sour cream, and this is what I ended up picking up for the chicken on the meal plan. They had the orange chicken and the General's chicken buy one get one free, so I just went ahead and picked that up and thought we'd just do that, save a little bit of time this week. Then I picked up 2 bags of salad mix, some grape juice, some broccoli florets, grapes, a couple containers of strawberries. We actually still have some in the fridge. Some Roma tomatoes and these Wild Twist apples, which is supposed to be a combination of Honeycrisp and Pink. And Pink are our favorite apples. And that's everything I picked up at Lidl. And we did spend just under $75. So then I swung into Harris Teeter, and you guys, let me tell you how excited I was to see mint Oreo ice cream. This is my son's favorite flavor, and Breyers stopped making it, so I was super excited to see that Edie's brought it back. So they were buy one, get one free, so I got 2 of those along with the triple brownie and the churro. And then the Chobani yogurts were on sale for 87 cents. With a limit of 12. So I picked up 6 of the zero sugar. I got the cookies and cream, peach, and strawberry cheesecake. And I like these for like a little sweet late night snack because they are lower calorie and fat. And then I just got some of the Chobani flips for the girls because they do like those. And then they had the keto ratio granola on sale for $4.50 a bag. And the yogurt, and like I've told you guys, I like to have this as sort of a meal for breakfast or lunch because it is higher in fat and protein. And then I also swung into Aldi because they didn't have any eggs or milk at Lidl. So I picked up 3 dozen eggs, picked up 4 more yogurt, and then we've not had any trail mix in a while, so I picked up some fruit and nut blend and some cocktail peanuts and some pepitas to mix together, and I love pepitas on their own. They had pineapples on sale for $1.50, and so I picked one of those up. I picked up another bag of salad mix And they already had their St. Patrick's Day yummies on sale. And so the ice cream was 99 cents. So I just picked one of those up as my daughter likes cookie dough. And then they had this cheddar Parmesan cheese. And so I thought we'd try that out. Did pick up a gallon of milk and some ground beef. Got some pepperonis as I've been wanting to make some keto pizza and I've been out for a while. They finally brought back their turkey breakfast sausage, so I went ahead and got one of those. And then I also got a container of biscuits. So that is everything we picked up this week. So we spent just under $40 at Harris Teeter and under $40 at Aldi. So all in all, we spent around $160 for the week, which was less than last week, but still more than I wanted to spend. So I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.